gonna scrape. There it goes, right there. Got extra slow. It's moving so carefully. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we got the Invidia N1 Exhaust for my nephew's car. He just brought it over. We're gonna be putting it on. We got to move all the cars first because got too many cars, not enough space. So the Dead 350, which by the way is looking really nice now. Just have to go and put the head back on, but I'm having a problem because the rear timing cover has to come off. The rear timing cover has to come off. So once that's all done, we can put it all back together, and then I'll be driving it again. Yeah, so we got the he got the Invidia N1 Exhaust, and we're gonna be putting that on. Hopefully we won't run into any hiccups. I'm hoping that we don't have to, like, because the car is fairly new, I'm hoping that we don't have to, like, grind off any bolts. It always takes a while, and it's kind of annoying. It's in my ass. Son of a bitch. It's dirty. I thought you parked in the garage. No. Where's the box?
At home, the box didn't fit.
Oh, this isn't a catback, Damion. Oh, you got the wrist in there. Oh, god damn it. Yeah. So there's another piece? Uh-huh. Where? In there? In the back seats. This is big. This is massive. What is that, 3 inch? Bless you. That's really fast. Oh, this is silencers? Those what these are, right? Yeah, this needs to be assembled and then put on the car.
If you like to, stay outside and burn some candles. Candle burners. This way, right?
Mm-hmm.
$600.
Yes, this is very cheap.
Ugh.
Oh, okay. It's just color. It's just this color. I thought this was a space. I was like, well, this isn't happening.
Send it back.
I'm guessing that's the first part. That comes right after the cat.
We're gonna find out together. Teamwork makes the dream work.
I want a high performance exhaust system. All right. Yeah, that's definitely what comes after the cat, because the cat probably has its own hanger. And then this is the second piece because it has its own hanger. And obviously the pipes come out the ass end. Does it have its, it has its branding on it.
Let me open it first. I can open it, we'll get there. Open that on there for now.
Yeah, it's definitely the second piece. Or is it?
Right. Yes.
It is?
Yeah.
Why the hell does it turn like that?
It goes like this. It's gonna go, that piece is gonna connect here. This is gonna sit back there somewhere that's essentially underneath the car.
Okay.
The only thing I don't like is the burnt tips.
The burnt tips?
Yeah, like the blue titanium tip. So anything I don't like.
Neochrome. You don't like that?
I don't think it's gonna look right on this car. It looks right on some cars.
Keep the plastic on all that. Feels like it's gonna be grinding on the ground.
Yeah, it's like a blue tip.
Holy shit, those are massive. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna look really nice though. Invidia.
All right, take it out.
Yeah, okay. Let's take it out while it's on my arm.
Okay, I'll grab this one.
Fuck this thing.
That was easy. That took what, 10 minutes?
Yeah,
I don't know what's going on with the iPhone right now. You have the iPhone 7?
Yes.
Yeah, because we both have the iPhone 7, and neither one of us, underneath the car, it's very dark. Like, I can't record down there at all, have no light. Well, normally I would just use my the light on the phone. Don't know what's going on with the iPhone 7 or whatever update that we're working with right now. But the flash, the camera flash refuses to work for either one of our phones. And they're both fairly new phones. We've only had them for a few months. So I couldn't really get too much underneath, but pretty much we just took the bolts off of the rear side of the catalytic converter. Oh, really? They snapped off. There's 2 spring bolts there that kind of just snapped off on their own. And then we took the whole entire thing out as one piece. Actually, I don't even know if you can separate it anywhere. Actually, no, you can right there. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead, and this part I'll be able to show you because, you know, we're not gonna do this underneath the car. We're gonna put it together as one piece and then throw it back up in there. That's the pipe that comes this way.
Correct. I don't know how it sits. Is it this way or is it this way?
Well, that's a resonator. That part right there is a resonator. So this is a flex pipe. Let's look at this. Yeah. Oh shit. They look really similar. Okay, look here. That end, okay, look, the straight end.
It's gonna go this way.
No, the straight end goes towards this. Exactly, like that. Yes, exactly, just like that.
Line up like that.
Yup. Not cool. Yep, just like that. That looks sexy. It's a shame no one's ever gonna see it ever again. But I like how it has the actual that lacquer plate thing on there. All right, let's put it together. Let's figure it out. All right, so we got the Invidia one all put together, ready to go in. And here's the old one. Figured we do a little side by side of them. This one has, and I realized this, the newer one, the Invidia, has this flex pipe. And I'm assuming that that's because the spring bolts that were there connecting.
I'm so sorry. I did not expect that to happen.
Because that one, that's where it connects to the old catalytic converter. Right there was 2 spring bolts. Well, I'm guessing this one doesn't have spring bolts because it has this little flex pipe here, which it does flex. It's really soft. But yeah, those are the only like big differences in installation. It came with 3 sets of bolts in 3 pairs. It had these 2 pairs of thicker ones, which go from the actual mufflers to the, I don't know, what is this called, a mid pipe? No, because that's an actual thing.
That's the
to the middle pipe. Okay, so right there was the first set, and then the second set was here. And the third set, they were skinnier. Those are actually gonna be taking the place of the spring bolts. But yeah, other than that, it's ready to go in. Here's the old one. So if anyone needs, what year is this for?
2008 to 14.
2008 to 14, 2.5 liter turbo WRX. If you need an exhaust, how many miles does this car have? 30?
60.
So with it, well, this one is the original one. It only has 60,000 miles. We've got one here if you want to buy one. But other than that, we're gonna go ahead and go throw these in now.
What is this hitting? What the fuck?
That looks so cool. It's not even on yet. No, don't take that off
We
yet.
have to because there's a hanger.
Okay.
We have to.
Here.
Hey, don't take that off yet.
Where's the knife that I gave you?
It's actually up here in the trunk.
It's in the trunk.
It's in the trunk.
All right. Watch your eyes. God, your car's so fucking filthy. You left it open. Oops.
Nick, what if that would have fell on me?
There.
I need this whole thing.
Look at that neochrome. I'm jealous. Okay. You good? You got it, right?
Can we get this show on the road?
Oh, you don't want your silencers?
No. Everybody sells that stuff.
It does look pretty badass.
You want to open the garage door before I start, or?
Yeah, I guess.
Hurt your ears, I don't want to know this.
I want to hear it under load now.
How do you see with these headlights like this? Alright, you could just take me back. Just take the left.
That's all you want?
Actually, we could just go in here and make a U-turn, then come back down the straightaway. Actually, here, let me out here, and you just go up and down in there, okay? Oh, I can get some outside clips.
I'm like, what you?
Oh, yeah. Alright guys, so while I was sitting here editing this video, I realized that I didn't actually shoot an outro. So instead of an outro, it's kind of gonna be like an outro slash, thank you video. Because this year has been amazing. I started this channel a year ago, last November, 2016, November, at the end of the year. Just 1 year later, I'm now over 1,400 subscribers, and I have over 600,000 views. Yeah, it has been a journey. It has been really fun. This whole entire platform has brought me into contact with some really cool, amazing people. Some of them I've actually met in person. Some of them are my friends now. I didn't expect it to go this far at all. I was hoping by the end of 2017 to have 100 subscribers. But to have 1,400 just blows my mind. I'm so thankful. I really do thank you guys. I notice you. And I really do appreciate you guys. Even if you guys watch my videos and you're not even subscribed, I wish you would subscribe, okay? But even if you're not subscribed and you are watching my videos, I thank you. That pretty much sums this up. And hopefully next year we can hit it even harder. I'm actually hyped for another year. If what we've accomplished in my first year has been this much, I'm excited for year 2, year 3, hopefully years after that. And I really do like doing YouTube, and I really do thank you guys for this opportunity and the acceptance I get. Like, share, subscribe, and I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. Like always, that sums it up. Yeah, I think I've said all that I have to say. So thanks a lot. Have a good one, and I'll catch you guys later.